Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing and grace so that we can attend this online seminar. Thanks also to Dr. Kaharuddin SI Hum and Mr. Muhammad Syarudin Nawir SPD Hum for his guidance and direction. And to our lecture of the seminar on ELT, Mem Alia, and to all of my friends who have attended this proposal seminar. Thank you very much for your attendance. My name is Nurul Ahyatul Fitri. I'm from English Education Department 2009. And the title of my proposal is the Teaching English Vocabulary Mastery Through the use of illustrated word card for the 7th grade students at Al-Urwatul Wusqa Sidrap Islamic Boarding School. My first consultant is Dr. Kaharuddin SIP M. Hum. The second is Muhammad Syarudin Nawir SPD M. Hum. Okay, let's move to the material. The table of contents, background, problem statement, research objective, research significance, research scope, operational definition of terms, literature review, theoretical framework, hypothesis, research method, research participant, research target, research instrument, data collecting process, data analysis technique. Background. Education is one of the most important things in everyday life. Through education, a person can develop his potential. The definition of education according to expert is as follows. Imam Al-Ghazali. Imam Al-Ghazali is a leading Muslim figure in the world. He is one of the famous scientists who studies science is in the field of philosophy and solve. Through his Imam Al-Ghazali become one of the influential people in the development of the Islamic world. The owner full name is Abdul Hamid Muhammad bin Muhammad Al-Ghazali At-Tuzi Asy-Syafi'i and has held positions as a counselor at Madrasah Nizamiyah, a center for higher education in Baghdad. Through several books, he is success in contributing to the development of human progress. In the opinion Imam Al-Ghazali, the nation of education is the process of humanizing humans from the time they occur until the end of life through various science, in which the form of the teaching process is carried out in stage and becomes the responsibility of parents and society towards self-approach to God so that he becomes a perfect human being. The continue of background, etymological education. Meanwhile, the meaning of education, etymological or origin. The word education in English is called to education. In Latin, education is called educate, which is composed of two words, namely a and do, where the word a means development from the inside out or a little a lot, while do means development or growing. So etymology, the nation of education is the purpose, the process of developing one's ability and individual strength. Meanwhile, according to the Indonesian dictionary, education is a process of changing the attitudes and behavior of a person or group of people of either humans through teaching and training effort. Then what is the meaning of education that has been lived by humans? According to the KBBA, the word education comes from the word educate by obtaining the suffix p and the suffix an, which mean the step, system, or act of education. The word education in language comes from the word pedagogy, namely ped, which means children, and agogos, which mean to guide. So pedagogy is knowledge in guiding children, while in terms of understanding, education is a system of changing attitude and behavior of a person or group to either human or students through teaching and course effort. What is standard vocabulary? Standard vocabulary is a type of word where the pronunciation or writing is by standardized. The standard rules in question can be in the form of in-chat spelling guidelines or EAD. Standard grammar or general dictionaries. New vocabulary, not only in foreign language but even in learning Indonesia, you will find new vocabulary that you don't know even though as a native. Extensive vocabulary knowledge will make it easy for you to compose certain sentence or message well. Problem statement. The use of English word vocabulary media in learning English vocabulary for grade 7 MTS students carried out in this study was based on the research problem, which was formulated as follows. Number 1, planning the use of English vocabulary card media in increased mastery of English vocabulary. 2, how is the implementation of using English vocabulary card media to increase mastery of English vocabulary. 3, how to improve students' English vocabulary mastery through the use of English vocabulary card media. Research objective. The objectivities of this classroom active research or CAR are as follows. Number 1, describe the planning of use English vocabulary card media to improve English vocabulary skill for 7th grade students of MTS Alur Tulwusko Sidrap. 2, describe the implementation of using English vocabulary card media to improve English vocabulary skill for 7th grade students of MTS Al-Uratul Wusko Sidrap. 3, describe the improvement in learning outcome after using English vocabulary card media for 7th grade students of MTS Al-Uratul Wusko Sidrap. Research significance. Number 1, theoretical significance. The benefit of this research in the field of memorizing or knowing for the author is that it can add insight and direct experience on how to improve the ability to know children's vocabulary through the experimental method. 2. Practical significance. For teachers and students, it is important to understand and share information about how to improve memorization or comprehension performance, especially through experimentation, and it is hoped that they can gain hand-on experience of active, creative, and fun learning through experimental method. Children can be interested in learning vocabulary so that the development of the ability to know children's vocabulary can increase, as well as schools material for consideration in preparing learning program and determining appropriate learning method. And media to develop children's vocabulary skill. Research scope. This learning focus on experimental learning, in which students experiment by experiencing and proving what they have learned for themselves. Operational definition of term. Word card are small cards to help you remember words. Creating a set of word card is an easy way to revise vocabulary. Follow the steps to create a word card. 1. On site you read the word stress, pronunciation, and word type, nouns, verb, and etc. Literature review. The first research improving English vocabulary master through the use of picture card media in class 7 students of SMPN 1 Muara Bungo by Yesi Novianti. The second research or study effort to improve children's English vocabulary mastery through flashcard in Group B at RA Barokah Koldran Karanganyar 2011 until 2012. Academic year by Ikmala Yunita Lestari 127 Department of Early Childhood Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Science, University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Continue of literature review. The definition of media, association and communication technology, according to Surtikanti 2010, 38 media are forms and channels used to convey message or information. The definition of picture card, according to Siopati 2009, 124 flashcards are card a very effective game to help children learn to read from the earliest possible age, which is very effective for training power children imagination and interest. Vocabulary by show image quickly one image per second in front of children, consisting of various pictures such as picture of fruit, animals, color or number, and etc. Continue of literature review. Benefit or advantage of flashcard, according to Hazan 2009 66. The benefit of flashcard include as follow. Number 1, can read at an early age. 2, develop right brain memory. 3, train the toddler contraction ability. 4. Increase the vocabulary of toddler. 5. Children will get to benefit at once, understand English and recognition the types of animal, fruit, vegetable, and etc. Flashcard material. The following are some material in flashcard. According to Hazan 2008, including object flashcard, alphabet flashcard, number flashcard, flashcard color card. Grammar word you can see at the screen or the PPT. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is professional conjecture that is considered valid use as an answer to a problem that arises. Writer formulate the hypothesis that is use of picture card media or flashcard can improve the mastery of English vocabulary in 7th grade, especially at Al-Uratulus Sidrap. Research method. This research is in the form of classroom action research or CAR. CAR is action research conducting in class to improve or improving the quality of learning practice. According to Ari Kunto, 2018, 58, the purpose of CAR is to increase quality of learning process and outcomes, overcoming learning problems, improve professionalism, and foster academic culture. Consists of a series of 4 active carried out in clearly repeats. There are 4 main active in each clay, namely planning, action, observation, and reflection. Research implementation include 3 clays. Next, research participant. The subject of my research is the class 7 students of MTS Al-Uratulus Sidrap, totally 35 people. Why I choose this class 7? Because I want to know if they still know their lesson in elementary school, and as well as know the vocabulary is very important if we want to be a good speaking English properly and correctly. Research target. The data collection method is a method used to obtain data in classroom action research. Data retrieval in this study, the method of observation, interview, test, and documentation. Research instrument. An instrument is a tool that is used to take notes or get the required data. Data collecting procedure. The research procedure is an explanation of the research step from start to finish. The procedure for this research are 1. Research preparation stage, 2. Implementation stage, 3. Conclusion drawing stage, 4. Report preparation stage. Data analysis technique. Data collection technique are techniques used to collect data. Data collection use the test method on non-test. The test method is the form of written question to determine the level of student achievement. The non-test method in the form to observation obtained from making observation consists of Number one, documentation data that has been documented in the form of photo and video when conducting classroom action research. Two, observation present in a sheet called an observation sheet, which is useful as a guide in research. 3. Interview, oral statement through conversing with people who can provide data and information. Last, test, data collection technique designed in the form of an assessment instrument in the form of an oral test and a written test. The process of analyzing data is the research is according to the model of Mealy and Huberman, Sugiono 2006, namely the step of data analysis consisting of 3 flow activities simultaneously, including data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. The last is reference. I think that's enough for my explanation about my proposal. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.